Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming back to share some DIY Art Bin store goodies that I was able to get from DIY Art Bin Store. I am currently designing for them at the moment. So anyways, here goes their card there. Oops, there we go. And there goes the back. Also in their package, they sent a little free gift, and I thought that was really pretty. Now I'm going to share all of the dies that I chose this go round, and then I'll also, after each die that I share, you'll see the image afterwards and how it's supposed to look. So make sure you check out those images right after I share the dies. All right, and here goes the first one. I thought this one was really cute. It's a sheep or a lamb. Anyways, you can put this together several different ways. It's like, I want to say like 9 different ways, or 9 different images anyways, that they share on their channel. So you'll see that coming up right now. And here goes this cute little snowman. When I say this turned out so cute, oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm going to make with it yet, but this is adorable. And here goes that image. And here goes the next one. It's a little dancing girl, and she's so pretty. And there goes that image. And here goes this little zebra. I thought this would be perfect for a baby card, so that's probably what I'll make with it. And check out that image. And here goes the next one. And this one turned out really cute too. I used my markers on this one, so really, really cute. And here goes the last one, and I've seen this one on several different channels, and this one is so cute. It's a penguin, and that penguin holds this little gingerbread. It has a little cookie that you can put in the cookie jar there, and the cookie's actually cut out. That's really tiny, and it cut out very well. All right, and those are all of my items that I chose this month. Make sure you head over to DIY Art Bin. I'll have the link down below, as well as all the links to these products here. And yeah, just go check out their store and go shopping. All right, that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.